I have cooked a lot of good stuff today, y'all. And everything that I've cooked, it goes together. And so we're all going to have a fabulous meal tonight. We're actually going to have choices. Do you want Mexican? Do you want seafood? Do you want just maybe vegetables? I'm going to have it all tonight. All right, now this next dish I'm doing is a wonderful fresh asparagus dish. And I'm going to put my asparagus in my pan, and I'm going to put a little bit of water in it. Now, these have been snapped. Now, all you have to do is pick up your piece of asparagus, bend it, and it will break where it needs to break. The chalky part automatically will come off. So it's so easy to do. And I'll usually do a little handful at the time. Snap. Snap, crackle, and pop. So I'm going to pour a little water in this, and I'm going to ask Teresa if she would cover this with some saran wrap, maybe 1/4 of a cup of water. And I'm going to put just a little salt, not much. If you'd cover that with saran wrap, Teresa, and we're going to put that in the microwave oven, and we're going to cook it for just like a few minutes. Okay. We want it still crisp, okay, but somewhat done. Let's see, maybe it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes on high in your microwave. So that'll produce a nice but still crisp piece of asparagus. And meanwhile, I'm going to come over here to this eye, and I'm going to start our sauce for our asparagus. And I'm going to be putting in one of my favorite herbs in the whole world, and that's tarragon. Kind of tastes a little bit like licorice. It's so good. And tarragon, if you like a béarnaise sauce, tarragon is what gives béarnaise that fabulous, fabulous flavor. All right, so we're going to start melting our butter. And then I'm going to put in our shallot, which has been minced very, very fine. And we're going to put in our garlic. And we're going to cook this, you know, just a couple of minutes. Just until it's kind of tender. So now I'm going to add our white wine. And I'm going to cook that for a couple of minutes. I'm going to let it reduce down. All right, I'm transferring my asparagus to a paper towel. This is beautiful asparagus. Cooked so nice.
Paula, I did cook it for 4 minutes.
Okie doke.
I stopped at 3, but I went ahead and did
good. That's perfect. I had to run to the back for a minute. So Teresa says she cooked it for 4 minutes rather than 3. So we have reduced that by half. I feel pretty confident about that. Now I'm going to throw in some stone ground mustard and a cup of cream. And we're going to let this cook for about 6 minutes, y'all, until it reduces to about half. All right, now the last thing to go into our cream sauce for our asparagus is the tarragon. so. There we go, and that's gonna give that the most incredible flavor. And I'm gonna get every piece of that tarragon in there. And we're just gonna let those flavors get in there just for a minute. You see how nice and thick our sauce has gotten. Did I leave some tarragon? I'll go back and get it. So I'm transferring our asparagus. I drained it on some paper towels because I didn't want it to water down that beautiful sauce. So you can kind of put this on a plate any way you would like. I'm going to kind of just do it like this. I like all my spears going one way, no matter how I place them. I don't want them mixed up. I want them all going in the same direction. Listen to Lulu trying to scratch into that wooden floor. I don't know what she thinks is underneath there. All right. Now here we go, that wonderful, wonderful cream sauce. Now you could put this in a bowl in the center, or you can do it just like this. Or like I said, you can do it as a dipping sauce. Whichever you prefer. And if I wasn't lazy, I would make a beautiful tomato rose to go right in there. But I'd rather spend my time tasting. Isn't that pretty? So y'all imagine that beautiful tomato rose right there. Let me see. It's delicious. I can't wait for y'all to taste it. Loving Best Dishes. It'd be good for Mother's Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.